Happy New Year. It's at this point in time that we tend to do many of the rituals that we do annually. One of which is setting up things that we want to do in the new year. Things that we would like to achieve in the new year. Changes that we would like to achieve in the new year. Travel more, sleep healthy, eat healthy. These are probably some few things that going into the new year, you probably would have told yourself you want to achieve or you want to do or you want to tweak. You call them resolutions. Resolutions? Nah. Well, I personally don't believe in resolutions because resolutions, if you approach things you want to do in the new year and you call them resolution, you find out that you will not get them achieved because resolution, the mindset of resolution, it's like you have a magical switch which you are probably going to flip over come January 1st, 12 a.m. 12:01. You flip the switch in your life, takes shape. Now, it doesn't work that. Don't set resolutions. Don't talk about resolutions. These are things that will be broken even the next day. Instead of resolution, talk about goals. Goals, these are things that they are specific, they are measurable, they are achievable, they are realistic, and most importantly, they are timely. A resolution is a firm decision to do or not to do something. A goal, that is the object of a person's ambition. I don't set resolution. I rather would set goals. Some of the things that I consider before setting goals are I try to experience the outcome before I begin. For instance, I think about what my life would be like with such goals achieved. And this spurs me into achieving such goals that I have set down. I also think about how do I get this goal achieved? This would make me to think about things I would require to achieve this goal. When I have this locked in, I now take the action in achieving these goals already stated, line by line. And I do this with baby steps. So getting this achieved, inch by inch, of course, based on the available time I have stated I want this goal to be achieved. I also try as much as possible not to beat myself in areas that I have some shortcomings where I have not been able to achieve such goals. I don't try to beat myself over it. I just try to re-strategize and move on. The most important thing is to keep moving. So I tell myself this, encourage you as you go into this new year, set goals, not resolution. Goals are much easier and fun to achieve. Resolutions are more like promises to yourself which can be broken. So charge into the new year with your goals and achieve greater heights. Hit the subscribe button, comment for more videos like this, and in any way I could help you in achieving your goals, I will be most happy to do that. Thank you for watching.